Let me introduce the usage process of the Zhongxin Smart Laser Grooving Machine. First, quick design import. Begin your manufacturing process by directly importing CAD design files into the Zhongxin Smart Laser Grooving Machine, which offers a fast and straightforward startup. Second, accurate positioning. Place the stainless steel sheet flat on the machine's table, automatically positioning it to the start point for precision laser grooving preparation. Third, edge correction. The machine automatically resets and uses laser to precisely correct the edges of the sheet, ensuring high processing accuracy and improved product quality. Fourth, efficient grooving. During the automatic grooving process, simply clear away the cutting waste intermittently to keep the work area clean and ensure efficient machine operation. Fifth, laser precision cutting. Following grooving, the machine employs laser cutting technology to accurately cut the sheet according to specifications, quickly producing materials that meet requirements. Sixth, continuous production. By simply repeating the above steps, raw materials can be continuously transformed into high-quality finished products, greatly enhancing the efficiency of the production line. This automated smart laser grooving machine not only increases processing efficiency, but also ensures safety and precision throughout the manufacturing process, making it an ideal choice for processing stainless steel materials.